I'll do the talking. I understand my uncle is a financial risk, but his houseboat is also his workplace, so fixing it qualifies him for a small business loan. Are there any loans you can offer to the accident-prone?
Now, the free polo shirt that comes with an account, are they actually suitable for playing polo? Also, how much money do I need for an account? Is no money acceptable?
This is a robbery!
Other way.
Why are we wearing masks over our other masks again?
Poof! Give me all your money!
Just had to stop here on my way to work. Keep calm, slide out stealthily.
Hi, Huey.
Oh, blathering blatherskite. Hi?
What the?
That's mine. Sorry, that's mine. Everyone stay down. I'm wearing an unstable nuclear acceleron, so we may have a tiny situation here.
Stay back, Robo-Nerd! The normal nerd gets it.
Oh, well then, engage combat mode.
He's out of control!
Hey, looks like your processor core is overloading. Would you like to vent excess energy?
Yes, do that thing. That sounds helpful.
Great! Initiating self-detonation.
What? No, stop, reboot, cancel.
Okay, canceling and extricating.
I guess this is happening now.
The money's on fire! All the money's on fire!